that idiot over here is honking for no reason. What am I doing wrong?
I don't think.
What am I doing?
I didn't hear a honk.
Okay. Swear to God.
Stop.
I swear to God.
Okay, I'm gonna freaking hit you.
Okay.
Faux sisters, faux sisters, faux sisters, faux sisters. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Faux Sisters. It's Jules here. If you're new to this channel, please go and click the subscribe button and join the family. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. I'm gonna make this quick because Sab is actually on her way. She thinks we're like going out vlogging, but she's in for a surprise. Today I'm gonna be doing the honk prank on my best friend. So basically, I'm going to make a sign and see how many people will honk at her. If you Faux Squad would like to see more pranks from me, smash the like button, make sure you subscribe for more videos, and comment down below #Jules, and I will do more pranks on you, girl Saba. We'll see you in the next scene. Oh my god, oh my god. Yo, she's here. Guys, she's here. We're gonna get her to go see Yoshi. Hello!
Okay. You know what? She's not even excited to see me. Like, she's here to see
Where's Yoshi? Where's the cat?
She's in the basement.
Yo, okay, then get out of here. Go. Ain't nobody here to see you.
Are you ready to vlog?
Yeah, let's do this, but I want to see the cat for a bit.
I'm testing the camera. Just smile.
Okay. And one of these?
Oh my god, Faux Squad. She's in the basement right now. I have to tape it to the car right now. She's with my cat. Oh my god. Okay, put this here. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. And my neighbors probably think I'm like crazy. Yo, imagine she gets pulled over though, because this is gonna cover her license plate. Oh yeah, it's covering the license plate, but it is what it is. I gotta go back inside. I'll see you later, okay? Hey everybody, welcome back to the Faux Sisters. Back at you with another video. Smash the like button, subscribe. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. We are about to go out and just vlog and do some shopping. And yeah, we'll see what we do on a daily basis.
Yup.
You ready?
Alright.
You ready?
Alright, we're gonna go to the mall. Okay.
What are we getting?
Yeah, first of all, I am so not prepared for winter. Let me tell you that. I need a new jacket. I need some boots, some hats, gloves.
I need boots too.
You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna be like playing. I'm gonna be playing in the snow this year. Me and you. We're gonna be vlogging in the snow.
Me and you.
You and I.
Hold on. You signed up for me?
Yeah, together. We're going snowboarding, guys. If you want to see some snowboarding, let us know in the comments down below, because we are both gonna fall on our faces
Actually,
on the snow.
You're on your own, because I actually know how to snowboard and ski. So.
Since when?
Since the time where you thought I could rollerblade either or skates.
Yo, what are you doing on your free time? Like, I don't understand.
I dream about it, and then
Okay,
he left.
I don't give a damn. Was it this guy?
Yeah, he left.
What did I do wrong?
I don't know.
What did I do
He
wrong?
wants to cut you off. You're
What did I do
driving
wrong?
so slow.
What did I do?
You're driving slow.
Okay. Jules, you're pissing me off too. Anyways, regardless, so when do you know how to freaking snowboard? That's freaking crazy.
I dream about how I'm doing it, and then next thing you know, I actually know how to do it physically.
Okay. I dream about it and then I know?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Jules.
Come on. When did you ever see me ski? Huh?
I swear I don't believe you for a second.
Okay, you didn't believe me that I could skate, and I showed you that in Edmonton.
I don't. Okay, that was weird. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, who says, guys, who says I dream about it and then I wake up and I do it? That makes absolutely no sense. Like, literally, like.
I don't know. See?
Oh.
See? I know you so well that I can make her laugh when she's angry.
Oh, whatever. Okay, what the? Okay, you heard that?
Yeah, I heard.
Okay, what are you?
Chill,
No, I don't give a damn. I swear to God, I'm gonna give them all the finger.
Chill.
Every single one of you.
Oh my god. I can't.
Chill, what? What happened there? It was red light, it went to green, I go. I don't get it.
I don't get it.
Okay,
Maybe
chill
you,
out.
Maybe you just don't get it.
Shut the hell up.
Okay, touch me one more time. I'm gonna freaking hit you.
I'm gonna freaking hit you. Ow!
What the hell is that?
Good. I have
You're wearing a freaking shield.
Good. Don't mess with me, yo.
What the hell is this?
That's for people who want to mess with me.
No, you hurt my finger.
You hurt me. You hurt my finger. What? Okay.
It's probably you. Okay, what are you doing wrong?
I swear to God, Jules.
Nobody goes and drives and honks at people for no reason. So obviously you're doing something to piss them off.
You know what you're doing? You're pissing me off right now. That's what you're doing.
I don't know what I'm doing, but you see that building right there? That's a driving school. Maybe you need a class.
Yo, shut the hell up!
Okay, touch me one more time, watch what happens.
You're pissing me off though, for no reason. Just like everybody else's. My blood pressure is going up right now. Like, I can feel it.
Guys,
you're making me laugh 1 second, I want to cry the next second, and I want to.
that's what friends are for, man. Kids.
Okay. Okay, seriously? That's it. I'm getting up.
Yo, chill.
No, I don't give a damn.
Yo, chill out.
Nope. I'm pulling over. I'm pulling
Chill
over.
out.
I'm pulling over. I don't
Oh
give a
my
shit.
god, you're so
No, I don't care about main road or no main road.
Yo, you're so embarrassing.
I'm getting out of the car
Yo,
now.
chill out,
I
chill
don't
out, chill out,
care.
chill out,
No!
chill out,
No, seriously, these people, man, are pissing me off.
Chill.
There.
See? No problem. Chill. He already left. Who are you gonna go yell at?
Anybody? These people are pissing me off.
Rock, paper, scissors. If you win, I'll drive.
Okay, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You drive. That's meant to
You
be.
cheated.
How did I cheat?
I don't know. You cheated.
How did I cheat your mind of what you're gonna do?
Because you dreamed about it and then you did it. That's
Exactly.
why.
Yo, you are like nutso.
I'm not nutso. These people are freaking nutso. Beep, 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 beep. All day long. That's all I've been hearing. That's all.
I can't deal with you.
I'm getting mad.
I legit cannot deal with you because now there's all these cars looking at me. And I have nothing to do with it.
I don't care. They can, you know what? Everybody needs to know what it feels like to be honked at. Look. Oh, look at that. You like that? Or does it make you happy?
Oh, you're so embarrassing!
Something's going on today. There's something wrong with these people. I don't know what the hell's going on.
So like 10 people. There's something wrong with 10 people. But there's nothing wrong with you.
I swear, Jules. Like, I'm not.
You know me, I always have your back.
I'm not having it. I'm not in the mood right now. Oh my god. I swear to God, I can't handle it. I can't handle it! I'm pulling over. I'm pulling over because this is ridiculous. Like, I'm doing absolutely nothing. And these people are honking at me all day. All day? What's going on? Is there something wrong with my car?
I don't know.
Do I have a flat tire? Like, are they trying to tell me something? Like, I don't understand. I'm pulling over, Jules. This is ridiculous. I swear to God, I'm not driving anymore then. I'm done. I'm not driving.
So what are you gonna do?
Honestly, is there something wrong with the car?
Chill.
No, seriously, I'm pissed off. Is there something wrong with the car? Like, is there something wrong with the car? Like, what the hell?
Yo.
This thing is fine here. What? Honk if you're hungry? Are you freaking kidding me right now? Jules, are you freaking kidding me right now? Honk if you're hungry? What the hell? Is there freaking a million hungry people in Ottawa? Nobody's eating today? What the hell? Like, I don't understand.
You just got pranked by the prank queen. Hashtag Jules if you love me.
You are giving me some serious road rage for no reason. Oh my god. What the hell?
Yo, tell me that's a good one. That's a good one, right?
That's a good one, right? That's a good one, right?
Out of here.
I was losing my mind for no reason.
And I was like, it's your fault.
My blood pressure is high today for no reason, but we love y'all. We post every Wednesday.
Yo, Full Squad, give it a thumbs up, please. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you're new, if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. We love you. We'll see you next week.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right